In a land far away where the baobabs play, lived a tree of great wisdom, so the animals say. With roots reaching deep and branches up high, the tree had a secret, a truth it lived by. The softest of thinking is the wisest indeed. Like watering roots, not the trunk for the tree, for thoughts at their source before sprouting to be. Hold the tenderest insights, the most potent seed. The animals gather to hear the tree's view on expanding their hearts and their minds anew. Go within, my dear friends, to the root of your thoughts. Find the source of your wisdom, connecting the dots. For there you'll uncover the most profound knowing, universal truths, forever worth sowing. In that meditative space, awareness expands, revealing life's mysteries across these great lands. For there you'll uncover the most profound knowing, universal truths, forever worth sowing. In that meditative space, awareness expands, revealing life's mysteries across these great lands. The creatures reflected on the tree's sage advice, put it into practice, not thinking twice, and in their minds sprouted such enlightened notions, uplifting their spirits like life-giving potions. For in the softest thinking, true wisdom is found, ancient secrets unearthed, profound and profound. So go to your roots, whether human or tree, meditate deep.